What's up, YouTubers? PokeJediTrek here. So as some of you know, it's almost Thanksgiving, and I've been wanting to get a cooking video out for quite a while before the month of November is over. So I'm finally going to do that today. So today's cooking video, I'm going to show you how to make hash browns. So let's go over what we need. So to make hash browns, all you need is a potato and some frying oil. So let's get started. First things first, you're going to wash off this potato over your kitchen sink. Make sure you get all the dirt off before you clean. And it does not matter if you're going to use I'd recommend using a russet or a golden potato. I would not recommend a sweet potato though. So next you're going to take a cheese grater and you're going to rub the potato up, and you're going to grate the potato just like you're grating cheese up against the grater. So it apparently took me a while to get these potatoes cut, so the next step is I'm going to take you over to our range, and I'm going to show you the next step. So the next step is to pour some oil onto a frying pan. And remember what I said about handling hot oil is you need to be careful not to overheat your oil, because if you overheat your oil, it will start to pop, so be careful. Now you're going to turn on a burner to about medium heat, I think. Yeah, to about medium heat. And then you're going to take a handful of your hash browns and stick them in the oil. Oh, I think this one's a little too big, but whatever. You need to be careful. And it should take a while to fry. Once the oil is heated up, that's when it's ready to fry. Now that the oil is starting to heat up, you need to let it fry and then until it's golden brown on the other end, or hard and golden brown. Once it is, you're going to take a metal spatula and you're going to flip it over like you're flipping a pancake. So if you notice right here, I attempted to flip it, but it's like I said, you got to make sure that it's golden brown, thoroughly browned before you can flip it. So as you can see here, move out of the way. So as you see, I got this hash brown thoroughly cooked. As soon as you're done, you need to put it on a plate and cover it in paper towels to let it degrease before you can enjoy it. Okay, so this is how the final product should look like. So I'm going to give it a little taste test. Really good. So it might turn out really well depending on how long you keep your hash browns on the pan for with all the oil. It's good though. So that's how to make hash browns. So thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you next time.